Hello there, and welcome back to my channel, or as they say, howdy ho, and welcome back to the show. As they meaning me, one time in a video, and I was like, oh, I should make that my new video intro, and then I never did, but maybe we will again, I don't know, we'll see. Hi, today we are going to be reorganizing my, stationery, mostly. Yeah, it's all my stationery, all the papers and stickers and everything like that, sticker books and paint, and it's not art stuff. We're reorganizing my art stuff, and I'm just going to show you a little video about that. So I hope you stick around, and it's going to be somewhat interesting. I guess you can see like how I organize stuff and how I'm reorganizing it to make it suit better for me, and maybe you'll get some like little tips of maybe how you can organize your stuff. So let's do that. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna throw everything that I own art-wise, mostly besides all my pens, because those are the only thing organized, and my washi tape, those are also organized. I'm just gonna throw it all on the floor and divide it into categories, and then we will go from there.
Hello, voiceover Haley here, and I am just letting you guys know I have so many pieces of paper and just random stuff in general. It's pretty crazy, but here I'm organizing all of it, and I'm dividing like envelopes and like scrap pieces of paper that I like to use in my journal. I don't throw a lot of things away because I just don't want to be wasteful, and I know I'm eventually going to use it, but it just takes me a while, so there's a lot of it. And Hank is also chilling here with me. He eventually stabs me on accident because he starts playing with the envelopes, and I try to move him and he gets mad at me. But it didn't hurt that bad, but he's a good little boy. But yeah, I have so much paper. Like, this is just me organizing paper. It's really interesting, and I have a lot of it. Let me know if you have just a random collection of paper, or like things like your pen pals give you, because I have so much. Here's where Hank becomes really interested in the paper. I'm like, please move, and I try to give him a kiss to move him, and he just won't do it. He eventually leaves, but he comes back. Here is where I decided we need to banish Hank because he stabs me on accident with his little claw, and then I just sit there in pain, and then I'm like, go away. But yeah, we get back to organizing, and literally we're still working on paper because that is how much I have. I also have a bunch of memo sheets because I bought a bunch from Etsy, like different varieties of them, and I like bought like a whole like 100 pack of just random things. So that's fun. I'm also organizing some like magazine clippings a lot of my pen pals have given me, and I think they're all really cute. I just don't know how to use them, so I just keep them around and have them there, but hopefully I can figure out how to use them because I just don't use a lot of magazine clippings yet in my journal or anything. Now I have added some stuff from my art cart that I'm taking out and going to reorganize. I have like envelopes and like different glues and watercolor stuff. And next I pull out my paint, and I go through all these like Target brand acrylic paints that are all dried out, and I'm just double checking that they're all dried out. They're like 4 years old. Now I'm organizing this box of paint just so it's a little neater and makes more sense, and all the big tubes are in one box and all the small ones are in another box. I love acrylic painting. It's seriously so much fun, and I also put some canvases and my brushes in there just so it's more compact and all together. And now I've taken things out of the second drawer of my desk, which is just like a bunch of random electronic things, a lot of paper, some sticker paper, and that's pretty much it. A few like memo sheets and stuff too.
Well, I'm about to show you where we are at with organizing. Hank is now unvanished, but this is a big piles of stuff on the whole floor, and now I have to organize it all, so that's gonna be fun. But here is everything on the floor from the areas I wanted to organize. So now we have to organize it, and I'm not really excited, or I'm kind of excited to like grab things easier and all that jazz, but I don't know how I'm totally gonna do it, so we're just gonna start doing things and hope for the best.
Now I am putting everything back onto my art cart. First, I start with the bottom shelf of the paint, and here I am thinking and trying to figure out where to put things next. I decided to put all my watercolor stuff into this like blue magazine holder thing. It just worked out because it's easy to access everything, and I can keep it all in one space, so it's not everywhere on top of the art cart, and I think it works best for me. Now I'm putting all of my journals and sticker books up on top because I want those to be the most accessible because I use them most, especially my stickers. My journals, I have too many on here, but I don't know where else to put them right now. There's a lot of them, and I only use like 2 to 3 of them. But all my sticker books are going up here, and it was gonna work out great. And now we are organizing some sticky notes that I used to have on my art cart into this little bin thing, this like tin jar. I have a lot of sticky notes. A lot of them are from pen pals and stuff, and I need to use them more because I don't use them a lot, but they're all really cool and really unique, and I love them.
So I kind of just finished everything, and here is what I did. I organized all my paint. It was already pretty much organized onto the bottom here. I just gave everything its own area, and then also put this label maker here because I don't know where else to put it. And then on the second part of my art cart, I put all like my scrap, like journaling paper stuff. So here I have some like bags that I can rip apart and use for craft paper. And then here's like the smaller pieces of paper that are all patterned or colorful, just little bits that are in here. And then here is leftover envelopes that I reuse, and then here is bigger pieces of paper. And then on the top shelf, I have all my journals that are somewhat in use. Really, I only use these 3-ish. And then I have all my sticker books and some more sticker books back here. And then in this I have my watercolor stuff, so it's easier to access. Then when we move over to my drawers, my stickers, my loose stickers are all pretty organized before. And then I threw all my Post-its in here, my washi is here, and then some other like memo type sticky note things. And then in this black bag is extra pieces of paper that are like scrap paper that I don't know what to do with and don't want to throw away because I just feel like that's bad. I don't know, they all have like backs of sticker backs on them, so and I can't recycle those, so I just like want to find a way to reuse them. I just don't know how yet, so those are in there. And then I have left gonna reuse like plastic bags back here, so those are all back there. And then in here I have mostly like my pen pal stuff. So this is stuff I want to give my pen pals. I've always had this, just an extra like bits that I don't see myself using, so I'd like to give it to my pen pals. And then in here are my memo sheets. These are smaller ones and then bigger ones. And then this just really didn't have a home, but it's like electronic stuff. that could just stay there. And then here's some envelopes, some smaller envelopes, and then like reusable envelopes that I've gotten from pen pals that I like to reuse. And under this thing is some more memo sheets. And then back here is glue and some things to store pen pal stuff in. But yeah. So that's what I did today as far as organization. I do have some other things I want to organize, so if you're interested in seeing those, let me know. I have like an IKEA drawer set that has a bunch of art things in it and a like bookshelf that has some other things. So I really just want to get my whole room together and keep it organized. So hopefully I can take you guys along on that journey if you're interested. And then maybe after that we can do an office tour of like the whole thing so you can see it all together and how I work and operate. But yeah, so if you like this video, leave a comment, let me know if you want to see more things like this and any other video ideas you have, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you know when I post a new video so you don't miss out on it. Okay, see you guys.